In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage an epic in ClickUp. First, let's get clear on what an epic is inside ClickUp. Think of an epic as a big, high-level goal or project, like build a tracker app. It's the main objective you want to accomplish. Because it's too large to tackle all at once, you break it down into smaller, more manageable chunks of work called user stories or tasks. Those are the steps that move you steadily toward the final outcome. Keeping this mental model in mind will help you stay organized and focused as the work grows. Now, let's set up the structure that will hold everything. In your ClickUp workspace, click the plus space button to create a new space. Name this space to match your epic so it's easy to recognize at a glance, then click Continue. Choose a workflow template that fits the kind of work you'll be doing, such as project management, and click Create Space to finish. This space now acts like a dedicated home for your epic, keeping all related work in one place. Inside that space, open the main list, often called tasks or backlog. Add tasks that represent the big phases of your epic, for example, conceptualize the project, start prototype, and test prototype. Treat these as the main steps of your epic, so anyone viewing the list can immediately understand the flow from idea to validation. If you want to save time and keep things consistent, you can use a user story template. Click the plus button, choose templates, search for user stories, and select something like basic user story task. Click Use Template to get started. Templates give you a ready-made structure so you don't forget important details. When prompted, choose your epic space and the correct list where the user story should live. Give it a clear name like User Story 1 or Concept, then click Use Template again and wait while ClickUp creates it. You'll see the new task appear in your list. Open that task and fill in the key sections the template provides, such as description, who, what, why, business impact, and acceptance criteria. Be specific and concise so the work is easy to understand and easy to validate when it's done. Repeat this process to create additional user stories, each one representing a small, achievable piece of work that pushes your epic forward. Finally, keep all related tasks and user stories inside the same space or list, and use statuses like to do, in progress, and done to track progress. As items move forward, your epic advances, giving you a clear picture of momentum. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.